What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, I have been thinking about investing money into another play, right? And while I invest money into more plays, like very low amounts into some plays, where I invest like $100 into a meme play or something like that, I'm talking about another utility, another blockchain that um, people find appealing, people find useful, and that people are building on. And I wanted to invest more money into plays like that because while I have some plays that are more speculative, I also want to invest in the top 100, things that are in the top 10, things that are in the top 25, because they all have potential to do big things within this next bull market because people or builders are creating on those chains. They're creating within that same range of cryptocurrencies, right? When you look at Solana, people are investing into Solana for everything that it has to offer, as well as the different projects that are being built on it, especially the meme coins that are happening there. We're seeing like meme coin mania that's happening over in Solana. And now I'm hearing of a little bit more of an uptick in another chain there where we're talking about AVAX. So as I saw the opportunity to invest into it, now just to be 100% clear, I didn't invest all of this money into AVAX. I did hold a lot of AVAX before that, and that's because of Margex. I was able to make a decent amount of money with Margex from the AVAX that I had. So I put there was like $100 in AVAX, and I ended up putting that on something which I grew that by like 600%, and ended up turning that into like $600 or $700, right? So basically, I had $700 worth of AVAX that I can't swap in Margex. So I decided that I'm going to go ahead and send it over to my Coinbase account and then buy more as I see more opportunity to purchase more, right? I see more opportunity within AVAX. So just to be 100% clear, that's what I decided to do. I'm going to take you through what I have and why I'm probably going to continue to add to my bag of AVAX because again, I put out even a tweet talking about how thinking about slowly building up my AVAX bag. What do you think? Is it a good idea? And it got 15 people to like it. This was at like 10 a.m. and right now it's about 12:37. But I'm thinking about consistently building up this bag and turning it into something a lot bigger, kind of like what I have with XRP or with CRO, and making that my next play that's more of a utility based play. So, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Let me know what you think about this video. If you want to comment now or comment after the video, feel free to do so. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want to start trading with AVAX, again, I made this money through Margex and was able to turn $100 into $600 or $700. Actually, it was $700+ that I had in AVAX and decided to buy more. So the point is that I was able to take $100 and turn it into a lot more, and now I have a pretty decently sized bag of AVAX. So definitely check out the Margex link down below and get started trading. Now you don't need to go all in. Make sure that you understand that there are risks that come into play when you are leverage trading. But if we wanted to look at AVAX and where the price is currently, it currently stands at $32.64. It is about a $12 billion market cap with $527 million worth of volume, right? The popularity is there. You are seeing 50% of the overall supply that is out there, so that's always a concern. But even at the fully diluted market cap, I still believe it's worth a lot more than where it is. The point is that this can go a lot further, and we'll talk about the chart as well. But $527 million worth of volume. You look at the markets that it's available on. Obviously, it's available on Coinbase, Binance, basically everywhere. Kraken, Gate.io, KuCoin. About 300 different pairings that you can have. So the popularity is there, and the popularity will always be there. If we needed to look at the chart and how this has moved in the last 7 days, it is about 2% of an increase. If you look at the last month, it's down 26%. And I kind of saw this as an opportunity. It was up to $40 already, and now it's down to about 32. It did drive or fall all the way down to about 26 or 27. And I may have missed that opportunity there, but I just came upon this AVAX and decided to invest into this more recently. So it is still on the lower end, but still has a lot of upside going forward. If we look at the last year, the highest point that it's been to is about $48 currently, or highest point that it's been to in the last year was $48. Wish I would have made a move down here because I was always thinking about buying AVAX. I just didn't have the money then to make the moves, and now I officially have money to make some of these moves. So now I'm starting to invest into these at higher points. This is a solid retracement, retracing from 48 down to about 29 is phenomenal. I'll take that any day of the week. That's kind of like similar to what happened with Bitcoin, where it goes from 49, but that goes down to about 38 overall. But this drops down to 29 and now is at a value of 31. So what did I decide to do? Right? As I see all this different information, as you see the full breakdown, if you look at all history, this has shown a value of $130 worth of a price. I believe it had, I want to say less supply, but I guess not. It did have, let's actually go back here. So yeah, it did have a little bit less supply. You're seeing a lot more of a jump because they did add supply as time went on. But you are seeing that it got to a high of about a $30 billion market cap there, and I believe it can go a lot further than that. This was in 2021, and obviously in 2022, everything started to really fall down and started to really like level out down here and get down to some of these very, very low areas where it was worth $2.8 billion. Again, currently sitting at about a $12 billion market cap. So I believe that Avalanche could be worth a lot more. And the reason being is because I believe that there is now some hype around meme coins that are created on certain chains in certain places. And Avalanche has been the latest to come across my desk, where I see a lot of people that are like, well, let's get into Avalanche meme coins. And some of the top trending Avalanche meme coins would be Kimbo, would be, if this would load, would be, and hopefully I'm pronouncing this right, Kakinu, where it's COQ Inu. You also have Husky AVAX on there as well, and how these are moving. And I wanted to take a look at all of these, right? Kimbo is currently at an $8 million market cap. You can see COQ Inu, it's currently at a $76 million market cap right now. And then you're also seeing, is it Husky? Husky is Husky AVAX. AVAX. Hopefully that comes up at some point. I guess it's not going to come up, or maybe I'm just spelling it wrong. Am I spelling it wrong? If I am, yeah, it's without the E. Or just Husky. That's what I'm looking for. Not there. I'm looking for Husky. Where is it? Here we go. Husky with just a Y. Husky, which is AVAX, Husky AVAX, which is standing at about a $5 million market cap. So some of them may have upsides to them, but the point is that people are building on them. And I think when you see more that's being built on a chain that's worth, multiple billions of dollars, that's where it really catches my excitement. So now we finally get into what I hold. If we go over to Coinbase and we go to my assets, you're going to see that while I do have XRP and Jasmine Coin at the top, you're starting to see Avalanche actually pick up, and it's currently at $1,259 worth of AVAX. And honestly, I would like to get to like 100. If I get to 100, that would be worth right now at these prices, $3,000 plus $3,200 if I decided to do that. And right now I'm actually up on the play. I'm up $10 since I invested into it, which is phenomenal. And I want to see this absolutely flourish. I want to see it go a lot further. Now, I will provide a lot more videos for AVAX, as long as you guys are interested in them, if you want to see them. But I do plan on adding a little bit more to it and getting that up the list, maybe even over the value of wherever Krill Coin is. So maybe somewhere in between, maybe Harvest Finance and Krill, depending on how much they end up running. But again, this may be another one of my more secure plays, right? Where I take money out of something that's risky, throw it into an AVAX or take money out of places that I have over here as passive income or something and throw it into AVAX. So we'll see how this plays out, but that's where I'm going. I'm currently going all in on AVAX. Not going to get up to the level to where I hold as much as this, but definitely making an impact on my portfolio. Let me know what you think about AVAX overall and where you think the potential is going with this play. We'll definitely research and go into a lot more of what it is and why it will be worth so much more and all that stuff in future videos. But hit that like button, guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to check out any of the links for Margex, feel free to check out those links. Or the link in the description where you could start trading with up to 50x leverage, up to 100x leverage on Bitcoin, 50x leverage on things like XRP and Solana, and I believe AVAX as well. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.